Hi again, this is Peter Lasowski with the Crocodile Brain Selling System. Brain science to selling, everything based on neuroscience, fact, not hearsay. And basically today we are going to talk about brain freezing frames, okay? So brain freezing frames, they go like this, okay? I've talked before about this in some of my other videos, the attention span, okay? This is according to the National Brain Institute. The attention span for a human being, the study came out last year in 2013. The average attention span of a human being is about 8 seconds. That is down from 12 seconds, by the way, from the year 2000. And we now have less attention span than a goldfish, which is at 9 seconds, okay? So you have about 8 seconds to get your point across, to really start working, keep the cells filtered down, and work into the brain, into the limbic system, and the reward circuit where the magic happens, okay? So what you need to do is you have to come up with some different ways that's going to stop the brain from running, because everyone is taking in about 11 million bits per second through their 5 different senses. They're being barraged with all kinds of information, bits and facts and data. So you have to be able to stop that brain in its tracks, basically freeze it so that it will focus on what you have to say for at least 8 seconds, all right? And you can do a lot of damage if you know what to do, and you'll learn all about that in the Crocodile Brain Selling System within that 8-second period of time. So brain freezing skills go like this. A question is a great way to do it. You may say, you know, I have a question for you. And then stop and pause. Okay? If you just keep waiting, they're going to say, well, what's the question? Okay? You've frozen the brain, you have their total attention. Another one, if you want to try this just to prove my point, you can say to someone, go up to anyone you know, friend, family, someone you don't know, a business colleague, you can just say, I just found out. And then don't say anything. Just say, I just found out, and stop and just stare at them. Okay? What they're going to do involuntarily is they're going to say, well, what'd you just find out? Why? Because you froze the brain. The crocodile brain, because it's about survival, you've aroused curiosity. It has to know what you just found out to see if it's a threat to its survival or not. Okay? So these are different ways to do brain freezing frames. Ask questions, have discoveries, telling stories, anything that will stop the brain in its tracks for a few seconds so that it will focus completely on you. So with that, this is Peter Lasowski, and this is the Crocodile Brain Selling System. Make sure, please do share these on Facebook. Share these with your friends, your colleagues, any people you know that are business owners, small business owners, people in direct sales. Basically, anyone that has clients or customers really needs to know how to use neuroscience so you understand how the brain actually makes a purchase decision. Use this to exponentially grow your commissions and sales or grow your business and revenue, okay? And make sure you take a look at the link above this video. It gives you an introductory educational video all about, you know, some of the things that are hitting you now and how the Crocodile Brain Selling System can really work to your advantage to take your sales career to a whole new level or take your business revenues to a whole new level. With that, this is Peter Lasowski with the Crocodile Brain Selling System. We will see you again soon.